Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriel for Gabi Angel Designs. I have done a lot of videos on how to do a photo retouching, and still people are asking me how to do quick retouching in Adobe Photoshop. So I am repeating these tutorials from the beginning to the end to get a full retouching picture like this, from this to this. It's a very simple step. As you can see, we have work on the skin, the eye, and also the lips. So just follow. This is not about frequency separation. In this tutorials, we won't work on any frequency separation. So guys, let's start. And remind you, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to watch. If you don't understand anything, you can comment and also like this video. So guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to command Ctrl+J on your keyboard. So after commanding Ctrl+J, change the blend mode to vivid light. After that, command Ctrl+I to invert the colors. After that, come to filter, come to other, come to high pass. Let's increase our high pass. Okay, let's maintain 4. Let's choose 4 as our high pass. Enter OK. After that, come to filter again, come to blur, come to Gaussian blur. Let's put it to 1. We can also use 2, but I want us to use 1. After that, command OK. So after this, hold Alt and create a layer mask like this. After that, command B on your keyboard or select your brush tool like this. Zoom in, make sure that your brush is on default color, the white is on the foreground and the black is at the background. So after that, start brushing the skin. This is our skin. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So after that, command Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E to merge the layer at the top. After that, come to create new fill or adjustment layer. Select hue and saturation. We are coming to work with the eyes. Select hue and saturation. Come to master. Select yellows. Increase the lightness to 100 plus, and also let's reduce the lightness to -71. It's okay. After that, click on this icon. After that, click inside this layer mask and command Ctrl+I to invert the layer mask. After that, zoom in the eye and make sure that you have set your colors to the fourth color. White is at the foreground color and the black is at the background color. So let's get rid of the yellows on the eye. So let's work on the teeth too, like this. Guys, after that, Command Control plus Alt plus Shift plus E to merge it again at the top. Let's work on her lip. So select this lasso tool and select around the lip like this. So hold Alt to deselect this area. After that, create a new layer here and come to create new fill. After that, select solid color. Make sure you have selected a red color like this and Command OK. After that, double click inside the layer marks. Let's increase the feather a little bit like this. After that, come to blend mode and select multiply, and let's reduce the opacity of the lip like this. So we can clean those unwanted areas by commanding B on your keyboard or select brush tool on your keyboard, and make sure that your foreground color is black, because we are removing the unwanted part from the lip like this. So guys, her face looks too smooth, so let's create some sharpness on the face. So Command Control Shift Alt E to merge the layer again at the top. Come to Far, come to Other, come to High Pass. Let's choose 2. 2 is okay, and Command OK. After that, let's change the blend mode to this time let's select linear light. Let's select the linear light, or we can choose the vivid light. Okay, so let's take the vivid light, so it will now look like this. You can reduce the opacity for the high pass layer. So guys, now as you can see, let's group this layer. You can see that this is our before and this is our after. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's tutorials. If you find it useful, can you subscribe to this YouTube channel, Gabby Angel Designs. Try to like this video. Comment if you don't understand anything. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Gabriel. You can call me Gabby Angel. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.